Welcome to our latest issue of our series Let's Talk About ESG. Products play an important role in a company's impact on the environment. That's why we today speak about how Syntegon keeps the green footprint of its machine as low as possible. I'll be speaking to Mark Bräuninger. He's responsible for product compliance at Syntegon and part of our ESG team. So let's talk about ESG. So Mark, what does Syntegon do to keep the green footprint of its machines as small as possible?
So what we do is we design our machine in an optimized way to protect the people, the operators, the environment, and also to reduce the energy consumption. And what we also do is we regularly evaluate our machine, our portfolio based on energy consumption and on resource consumption. And if we do new developments, we reduce it as much as possible. So that's what we do to improve our products.
Okay, good approach. So let's move to the shop floor now. What do our activities and improvements mean for the food and pharma production?
So first of all, it means that we reduce the waste of food and the product losses in our machines and processes. That's the first thing what we do. And the second thing what we do is now we have a software-based approach certified by TÜV Rheinland, where we analyze our products, machines based on electricity, media consumption, packaging material consumption. And also to offer this service to our customer. And in this calculation, we look at a complete life cycle from the production, transport until the usage phase for the machines at our customer sites.
Sounds like a really good offer for our customers.
That will be a service for the future.
Can you give us a specific example of resource saving on a Syntegon technology?
Yes, so a very good example is here in the site in Kreuzheim, our sterilizer tunnel. So to have a high product safety and security, we need sterilized ampoules and vials. And to achieve this, we use dry heat. And to produce this, we need a lot of energy. And during the development of the newest generation, this one was one of the focus topics to reduce the energy consumption of this sterilizer tunnel.
Oh, good, interesting example. Mark, thank you very much for your insights. It's good to see that Syntegon focus on reducing the green footprint of its machines. And yeah, thank you again and have a good day.
Thanks, bye.
Bye. And if you are interested to learn more about our sustainable solutions, then visit our website or get in touch directly with our experts. That's it for today. See you in our next edition of Let's Talk About ESG.